Oh, he ain't coming back.
Oh shit, they did not just leave us here.
It's okay, we're cool. I live around here. I bet that chopper's heading to the evac station at the mall.
That's
We'd
decided.
still catch up
Moving
to
on.
it if we
I
hurry.
think this building's on fire, so I'd like to leave it.
These things move like green lights. Lord.
Hey, look out! Hey, watch out for the ones in a hazmat suit.
Bottle of... puke here. From the sounds of it...
Well, they die like anything else.
Reloading!
Look out now!
Green guys. Oh
Shit
shit.
burns.
This zombie, it's burning shit. We need to find the stairs.
The fire's spreading, man, it's spreading.
Reloading! Bottle of... puke here. Reloading!
God, the lasso!
Crazy.
Big nasty thing!
Look out.
Fuck! That was outstanding. Back down the stairs. Reloading! Reloading!
Reloading!
Spitting thing!
Here's me.
Reloading!
Me first.
Got pills! Whew. That'll keep me tight. Thank Jesus. This one's still on.
Push the
I ain't walking down 30
I
flights
think
of
we should
stairs.
stick together. You cool with that? I'm Rochelle. What's your names?
Ellis, pleasure to meet you.
Y'all can do the same.
Name's Nick. I'm gonna get out of this piece of shit city if it kills me.
Let's stay together for a little while longer at least, okay, Nick?
All right, we're all friends now. Get ready.
Now ain't nothing right. Reloading! Throwing pipe bombs!
Reload.
Thanks.
Down here. Search these rooms. Might be something we can use.
Reloading! Down here!
Breach bag. Reloading.
Reload! Reloading!
Reload. We gotta get around this fire.
Reloading! Reloading!
I'm gonna reload.
Heads up!
Grenade!
In here, this room looks safe.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Can you take this?
All right, thanks.
Reloading.